What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool warm. Just say, yeah. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing, in the west wing. When can my heart beat again? When does the pain never end? When do the tears stop from running over? Tell me, baby, when can I see you? When can I see you again? And when can my heart beat again? When can I breathe once again? 'Cause I'm officially missing you. Oh, can't nobody do me like you. Ooh. Every little thing you do stays on my mind, and I'm officially. When can I see you again? When can my heart breathe again? 'Cause it's pain that I'm feeling won't go away. I'm officially insufficient. Baby, how you doing? Hope that you're fine, but I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like you're the seagull, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron and it's gonna be on. VIP done got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night. You should holler at your girl, tell her you're shaking the scene. Pull off beep beep shotgun in a GT with me. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. 'Cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't mean to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Oh, tell me again, my baby. No, baby, oh yeah, oh. Tell me again, my baby. Ooh. Oh, it's a good look, baby. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, just don't get it till there's nothing left. Oh.
All right, guys, this is the finished result, y'all. I absolutely love this hair, guys. It took me approximately 30 seconds to put this unit on. It was so quick, so natural. Now, this is a glueless unit. You do not need any glue. You don't need any adhesive, but I did add just a little bit of got2b just around the perimeter, a very, very light amount, because I wanted it to be tacked down. But other than that, guys, you really don't need that. All you actually need is to put the unit on, and if you want to add just a little bit of concealer or just a little bit of bronzer here, you can, as well as a little bit of powder in the scalp. I did add some face framing curls around the unit just to give it a really soft and pretty feminine look. Another thing that I wanted to talk about on this unit is that the knots are pre-bleached and the lace is already cut. It's a very beginner friendly wig for all of my bombshells out there that have been a little bit nervous about trying a unit. I know I had a couple of you girls that was like, well, I want to try a wig, but I'm scared to cut the lace. Well, if that is the case, then this is the perfect unit for you. I also love it because I'm noticing that it is holding heat so well. Now, guys, the texture that I chose is a straight texture, but again, you can add a little bit of heat to this unit, which I did, and then of course I just kind of topped it off with some got2b. Y'all know my ultimate wig test when I do my wig installations is to see how pretty and how flat the unit is if you pull it away from your face. And so, as you guys can see, you can wear this one pulled away from your face. You guys see that the hair bounced right back, and it's so pretty. This is just a very beautiful and very glamorous everyday unit. I'm gonna encourage that you guys head over to BGMgirl HAIR. Make sure you head over. I'm gonna also link all of the details below. And guys, you let me know if you like this unit as much as I do. And once again, I would like to thank BGMgirl HAIR for sponsoring today's video.